Alright, so yesterday I was at Newman Catholic High School and Middle School. But today we are at Newman Catholic Elementary School. This is huge. Which is also a security camera right there, so we gotta be careful. We have this huge thing. Might be an inverter of some kind. Oh, it's a really big carrier. Guess Newman Catholic Elementary also relies on carrier. There's the data sheet. Wait, I don't think. Yeah, I probably can't really see the data sheet well. Right, so right here they seem to have a couple of refrigeration component. Something in this box. Might be another refrigeration unit in this like metal box. Here's this one that we can access. Flashlight, a little better view. But it is also the summer, so this is probably also closed. Right, there's two disconnect boxes to prove that there's probably a refrigeration unit trapped inside that box. There's a little vent right here that I can get from. Yeah, that's definitely a refrigeration component. Don't know why the school decided to cover that up, but I guess they did. Wait, this one just turned on. I was literally walking off and it turned on. I really almost missed the startup, but I did miss it didn't get it on camera, sadly. Oh, and by the way, part of the school is also very fancy. There's another security camera in it. But just look at that! Pretty sure that's literally part of the school. Yeah, I think this might just be like a Catholic church or something. Look at this! It's a huge train unit. What is RUC-40? This thing is so tall, I would have no chance again. I bet. That's why I probably don't see a good view right now. Dehydrated and charged with dry nitrogen. That's weird. This is a serial number. This is a data sheet. And here's the elementary school. And there's a few window units right there. That'll be it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.